ninth standard. We have started the lesson from your section B, that is nothing but 8th lesson, useful and harmful microbes. So this lesson deals with the, you can say, microbes, which are the useful and which are the harmful microbes. This we have to study in this lesson. So what are the microbes first? Microbes are very small, or you can say minute living beings. So these cannot be seen with our naked eyes. To see them we want to use the microscope, or you can say electronic microscope. So as we cannot see them with our naked eyes. Then see useful microorganisms. The first one we are going to study, that is nothing but lactobacilli. See here, for this you have to do one activity. What is that activity? See here. Smear a drop of a fresh buttermilk on a glass slide. You want to take a drop of a, you can say, buttermilk, and you want to put it on the glass slide. Stain with methylene blue and put a cover slip. You want to put a stain. That stain is nothing but a stain which is called as a methylene blue, and then you want to put a cover slip over it. Now you have to observe the smear under the 10x objective of the compound microscope. You know that compound microscope is having two objectives, one is of 10x and other is of 60x. So first you have to observe the smear under the 10x objective of the compound microscope, and then with the more powerful, you can say, that is nothing but 60x objective. So what you notice there? I have drawn here one diagram. You see such types of microorganisms which are present in that smear. Did you notice the blue rod shaped organisms moving around? Yes, we notice this type of organisms which are moving around. These are nothing but rod shaped microbes or microorganisms. They are lactobacilli, a kind of bacteria. Over there they are nothing but you can say lactobacilli, a kind of bacteria. They are minute and rectangular in shape. Whenever you see the shape of them, they are very minute in size and they are having a rectangular in shape. The lactobacilli are anaerobic bacteria. Anaerobic bacteria means they are not using oxygen for their respiration. Then see, they can produce energy without the use of the oxygen. That means they can produce the energy without the use of the oxygen. How is yogurt made from milk? What exactly happens in this process? So what is the, how is the yogurt formed here? So yogurt is formed by taking the milk. So what we are going to do? Here we are going to you can say heat the milk and warm after that, and we are going to put a little buttermilk or you can say curd into that and leave it for some time. Then you can get a yogurt there. The lactobacilli convert lactose. What do they do? The lactobacilli converts the lactose, the sugar in the milk, into lactic acid. There is a conversion of the ingredients whichever are present in the, you can say, milk. Which are they here? Lactobacilli converts lactose which is present in the milk, or you can say the sugar which is present in the milk, into the lactic acid. Then see, this process is called as a fermentation process. As a result, the pH of the milk decreases. As the result, what happens? The, you can say, pH of the milk is going to be decreased. What happens there? There is a coagulation of the, you can say, proteins, which causes the coagulation of the protein. Thus, milk proteins are separated from the constituent of the milk. This is what happens when changes when milk changes into the yogurt. What actually happens here? Here there is a coagulation of the proteins whenever the milk is changed into the, you can say, yogurt. Yogurt has a separate sour taste. It has a separate sour taste due to the lactic acid. Why it has a sour taste? Because there is a presence of a lactic acid in it, and which gives the sour taste to the yogurt. The low pH destroys harmful microbes present in the, you can say, milk. So what happens? If there is a low pH, it will help in destroying the harmful microbes whichever are present in the milk. Use your brain power. See there. Why do doctors advise you to have yogurt or buttermilk if you have indigestion or abdominal discomfort? So what does this tells us? Why you are going to drink the buttermilk whenever you are having a discomfort or whenever you are having a indigestion? We know that in our stomach there is a secretion of a HCl. If there is a more secretion of the HCl, it causes the indigestion, or you can say abdominal discomfort. So to lower the pH of the, you can say, HCl, what is happening? The doctor advises us to drink the buttermilk whenever we are having a discomfort in our body, or you can say discomfort in the abdomen. Sometimes yogurt becomes bitter and froths up. Why does this happen? So see there, why does this happen? Because most of the microbes grow there, and as there is a more growth or more, you can say, more in number of the microbes, this will appear as a froth. Then see which different milk products are obtained at home by fermentation of the ice cream from the milk. So what we do? Which milk products? Milk products are there. Again, whichever are obtained from the, you can say, ice cream, that are nothing but the cold shake or milk shake is there, that can be obtained from this. Next, see, do you know what is mean by probiotic yogurt and the other foodstuffs that are popular nowadays? Useful microbes are nothing but the lactobacillia are added to the eatables. Lactobacillia are added to the eatables. Such eatables are healthy because they kill the harmful bacteria like Clostridium in the alimentary canal. Why these eatables are most, you can say, valuable, or you can say most useful? Because they kill the harmful bacteria whichever are present in the alimentary canal, and these bacteria are nothing but the Clostridium. So see, and help to improve our immunity. Next, see there, uses of lactobacilli. Various milk products like yogurt, buttermilk, ghee, cheese, Srikhand can be obtained by fermentation of the milk. So there are various products which can be obtained from the milk. They are nothing but yogurt, buttermilk, ghee, cheese, Srikhand, and many other, you can say, eatables. Then see, lactobacillia fermentation is useful for large scale of production of cider, cocoa, pickles of vegetables. It is also used in the fermentation, and in large scale it is used in the production of cider, you can say cocoa, or also it is used in the pickles also. You can say preparation of the pickles from the vegetables. Lactobacillia are some other useful microbes taken together are used to treat abdominal discomfort. Lactobacillia are also used to ride the, you can say, abdominal discomfort. Living fodder offered to domestic cattle like cows and buffalo is fodder fermented with the help of the lactobacillia. Whatever the fodder we are giving to the, you can say, cows and buffaloes, that is also made up of lactobacilli. The lactobacilli fermentation process is used to you can say make wine and some types of bread also.